Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Hello, can I see this?
Yes, please look.
It is very soft.
It is 100% cotton.
How much is this blue shirt?
It is $30.
Is it on sale?
No, it is new.
I like the color.
Blue is very popular.
Is there a small size?
Yes, here you go.
Where can I change?
The room is over there.
Does it look okay?
It looks great on you.
Is it too long?
No, it is perfect.
What is your hobby?
I love sewing.
Sewing is fun.
I do sashiko art.
What is sashiko?
It is Japanese mending.
Do you fix clothes?
Yes, with beautiful stitches.
Can I learn too?
I have a class.
When is the class?
Every Saturday morning.
Is it difficult?
No, it is easy.
Do I need thread?
Yes, blue and white.
Is this shirt good?
Yes, for your hobby.
I will buy it.
Excellent choice.
Do you take cards?
Yes, we do.
Here is my card.
Thank you very much.
Is there a bag?
Yes, a paper bag.
Where are the needles?
Right behind you.
Are they expensive?
No, they are cheap.
I'll take these two.
That is $5.
Is that all?
Yes, that is all.
See you Saturday?
Yes, see you then.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Thanks again.
My pleasure.
Hi, is this vintage?
Yes, from the 90s.
I love old clothes.
Me too. It's cool.
How much is this blue shirt?
It is 15 pounds.
That is a bargain.
Yes, it is cheap.
Are there any holes?
No, it is clean.
Is it your hobby?
Yes, I love thrifting.
What is thrifting?
Buying used clothes.
It is sustainable.
Yes, it helps Earth.
Do you find gems?
Sometimes it's a hunt.
Is this silk?
No, it is polyester.
It feels nice.
Try it on now.
Where's the mirror?
On the wall there.
It fits me well.
It looks very retro.
Is it for you?
Yes, for my collection.
Do you collect blue?
Blue is my favorite.
Do you have more?
Check that rack there.
This one is dark.
That is navy blue.
I prefer the light.
The light blue shines.
Is the price firm?
Yes, no discounts today.
That is fine.
Want a plastic bag?
No, I have one.
Good for the planet.
Cash or credit?
Cash is better, please.
Here is 20.
And 5 pounds change.
Thank you, mate.
No worries at all.
Do you shop often?
Every Sunday morning.
See you next week.
I hope so. Bye.
Good luck hunting.
Thanks, you too.
Happy Sunday.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Cheers.
Take it easy.
You too.
Oi, good morning.
Bon dia. Welcome.
Is this a jersey?
Yes, a football shirt.
It is very bright.
It is Brazil's color.
How much is this blue shirt?
It is 50 reais.
Is that expensive?
No, it is cheap.
Is it for football?
Yes, play on beach.
I love football.
It is my hobby.
Who is your team?
I love Flamando.
This blue is nice.
It is the away shirt.
Is it large?
Yes, very big.
I need a medium.
Here, try this one.
Does it breathe?
Yes, it is cool.
Perfect for the heat.
Rio is very hot.
Can I wear it?
Yes, put it on.
How do I look?
Like a pro player.
I will play today.
On the sand?
Yes, with my friends.
Have a great game.
I buy it now.
50 reais, please.
Do you take dollars?
No, only reais.
Okay, 1 second.
No problem.
Here's the money.
Thank you, friend.
Enjoy the beach.
I will, thanks.
Is there a ball?
Yes, over there.
How much for ball?
30 reais.
Maybe tomorrow.
See you tomorrow then.
Goodbye.
Ciao, bye-bye.
Go Brazil.
Yes, go, go.
Nice shirt.
Thanks a lot.
See ya.
Bye.
Have fun.
You too.
Bonjour. Good day.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine.
Can I help you?
What is this shirt?
It is an artist's smock.
How much is this blue shirt?
It is 40 euros.
It is very long.
To protect your clothes.
My hobby is painting.
Wonderful. Oil or water?
I use oil paint.
Then you need this.
Is it easy wash?
Yes, cold water only.
I like the blue.
It is French blue.
Do you have pockets?
Yes, 2 big ones.
For my brushes?
Yes, and for pens.
Is it heavy?
No, it is light.
Can I try it?
Yes, the mirror is here.
It feels very comfortable.
It is high quality.
Is there a discount?
If you buy paint.
I need some blue.
Ultramarine or sky blue?
Sky blue, please.
Here is the tube.
How much for both?
That is 45 euros.
I will take it.
Great. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Put it here, thanks.
Is it finished?
Yes, all done.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Is the museum near?
Yes, the Louvre is close.
I will go now.
Have a nice walk.
Is it raining?
Just a little bit.
I have an umbrella.
Good. See you soon.
Au revoir.
Goodbye. Happy painting.
Thanks.
Bye.
See you.
Take care.
Hi, is this new?
Yes, just arrived today.
It is very big.
It is the style.
How much is this blue shirt?
It is 20,000 won.
Is that cheap?
Yes, about $15.
I like the color.
It is electric blue.
Is it for dancing?
Yes, very loose fit.
My hobby is dance.
K-pop dance?
Yes, I love BTS.
They wear big shirts.
Is this soft cotton?
Yes, very soft.
Can I try it?
Fitting room is there.
Does it look cool?
Yes, very trendy.
It is very comfortable.
Good for jumping.
I will practice tonight.
Where is your studio?
It is near here.
Myeongdong is good.
Do you have pants?
Yes, baggy blue pants.
Maybe next time.
No problem.
I buy the shirt.
Okay, come to register.
Do you want bag?
Yes, please.
That is 20,000.
Here's the money.
And your receipt.
Thank you so much.
Have a good dance.
I will. See you.
Are you a dancer?
I try my best.
It is a good hobby.
Yes, I am happy.
Stay healthy.
You too. Bye.
Where is the exit?
Right behind you.
Thanks again.
Come back soon.
I will.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Take care.
You too.